Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, please be patient and get educated in wisdom with silence with my excellent ongoing wisdom education process on public health, public mental health process. Is all I want to educate for wisdom as an ongoing excellent civil justice process that is provided by me. I am. So let me continue with civil justice process. This testimony is about deadliest crime of Vatican type Holocaust Nazism hell crucifixion type is Antichrist Lucifer Holy Highness Republica God of USA is Jesuits leader is Satan Pope Francis created Roman Empire crucifixion shame process mandate classification type birth defects and type of birth defects classifications and severity type of birth defects classified as poison lifetime scars enforced on innocent animal kingdom as of January 2021 by absolute Satan, Pope Francis Lucifer, Antichrist, created deadliest 666 mark of the beast hell mandate process only enforced and mandated as in Roman Empire, Republica, Jesuits Lucifer, Satan, Antichrist, Jesuits, Vatican, Pope Francis, Code of Holocaust, Hell Mandate, Abuse Law Mandate, process model. And only then birth defects, type of Roman Empire enforced, crucifixion, a shame logo is slow torture to death process is enforced on innocent, absolute innocent and animal kingdom worldwide in all nations with false prosecution and false shame and false guilt because innocent animals worldwide cannot talk. And Pope Francis exploited innocence of animals for animals cannot talk and enforced abuse of agriculture services and enforced adverse agriculture services worldwide, satanic services providers as a genetic modified process using deadliest satanic hell creators as an organization of genome hell mandate headquartered in United States of America and in Europe, London, and created birth defects, lifetime scars for innocent animal kingdom to destroy healthy animal kingdom system operations and functionality worldwide as in total animal population as of January 2021 every day forever, and innocent civilians, national governments, medical providers never knows why innocent animal kingdom is enforced to be destroyed with deadliest adverse agriculture abuse services, and it is the deadliest Satan, Pope Francis, Queen of England teams only enforced Nazism, Holocaust, hell process model of mandated Holocaust, Nazism, birth defects, and types created for innocent animal kingdom worldwide, all classified as deadliest infinite scandal of Vatican, code of abuse, hell, Nazism mandate, classification of crucifixion variations that directly damages the brain nerves of animal kingdom worldwide. So Pope Francis Satan created domestic violence slavery, domestic violence hatred, domestic violence discrimination for innocent animal population worldwide across the globe, and I am the mouthpiece for entire animal kingdom for innocent animals worldwide cannot talk, and civil justice must be served now and beyond his wisdom without any delay. So what is the public awareness is? Do you all know that COVID-19 plague medical teams of United States of America or medical providers from accredited medical school are absolute slaves to Satan, Lucifer, Antichrist, Vatican, Pope Francis? I already conveyed all nations will only puke being aware of scandal of Vatican. So when Pope Francis says create disease, medical providers creates disease. When Pope Francis says okay now create lethal drugs with side effects, medical providers provides medical drugs with lethal side effects is a proof of display how and why medical providers are slaves and puppets to Pope Francis only. So when medical providers of United States of America went to accredited medical school, signed birth defects for plant kingdom, poison genetic modified foods process model is healthiest when it is deadliest illusion mandate scandal process model to create birth defects for animal kingdom, and it is created by Vatican Satan's Antichrist. So, how on the earth can foolish medical providers of any medical school, as in Harvard Medical School of USA or Oxford Medical School of London, etc., can even shameful or shameless provide scandal of COVID-19 scandal of Vatican? I leave the choice to civilians to get the correct answer, and I know the correct answer. Okay, and then did education fail humanity, or did medical services went to the accredited medical school and absolute slaves of Satan? Pope Francis failed the humanity and destroyed the humanity into pieces. I leave the choice to the civilians to get the correct answer, and I know the correct answer. So then the public awareness is Pope Francis destroyed agriculture services worldwide and enslaved agricultural animal kingdom services as slaves to Pope Francis is the harshest reality. So it is Satan. Pope Francis enforced enslaved agriculture services in all nations to mandate genetic modified foods. That way DNA, mRNA cell structure for animal kingdom can be changed in enough to create birth defects of any type and severity, as in infertility types or cancer types or chromosome disorder types for innocent animal kingdom worldwide. So the crime is severity highest because innocent animal kingdom cannot talk, right? And Satan, Pope Francis, he exploited the innocent animal kingdom just because animal population cannot talk, and there is no other crime on earth than to enforce birth defects for animal kingdom. So civil justice must be served now immediate. So I proved and proving daily there are never medical providers yet in United States of America nation, and it is saddest reality as of January 2021. So I, layman, true civil doctor, never went to medical school, is only one true civil doctor out of 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide as of now today in January 2021, and I am that I am, born to save the world, displayed with proof as of January 2021. There are never doctors in USA nation, and it is saddest reality, and I can step in, lead and guide entire medical services worldwide. When I said USA nation is happiest nation in earth as of January 2021 when being handcuffed by I am that I am, it is for a reason, got it? And I was not joking, and I am not joking, and I have proof of all scandals of Vatican. As a true civil doctor, I alone can provide healthy medical solutions, and that is why USA nation is happiest nation in earth is wisdom when USA nation is handcuffed by I am that I am. I alone can bail out entire medical services worldwide. Then President Trump and President-elect Joe Biden of USA will thank me infinite later for I am displaying scandal of Vatican with absolute bulletproof of scandal of Vatican. I must be should be the chief of police general to lead entire police FBI services, CIA services, national intelligence, Pentagon, military, army, navy, marine, navy seals of each national military services worldwide for all nations, because I displayed and am displaying the scandal of Vatican. So as of now, USA nation is a powerful nation just because of I am that I am, absolute rock anchored in oceans. So USA just wanted I am that I am now to lead USA because I am the toughest of all toughest is wisdom, excellent leader wisdom, and I am the excellent leader, only one excellent leader in earth, in entire human kingdom, and can guide you as a nation rightful way. So public awareness of birthright says, do you all know that there must never be any birth defects for any innocent animals in animal kingdom as of January 2021. So do you all know why any nation having at least one birth defects and types for at least one animal as of January 2021 across the globe worldwide, that nation is disqualified to be nation enough to be sealed and shut down forever for human endangered nation? Yes, USA nation is at fault and found guilty in all kinds of deadliest crimes. All zero tolerance of deadliest crimes means cannot be forgiven. And USA nation lost the eligibility to apologize for all the scandal of Vatican. Okay, And please be aware why USA nation and all nations worldwide is handcuffed by I am that I am is a blessing indeed, and wisest alone can understand my wisdom is education. So civil justice must be served now is the highest priority that all nations must be working on, and must all nations must do the task which I am asking the nations to do without asking me any question. Yes, my dear fellow mankind, it is again the deadliest venom Satan, absolute monarch, Pope Francis, God of USA, and Queen of England, Elizabeth II only created deadliest lethal poison, birth defects, and types for innocent animal kingdom worldwide daily, and it is $1 trillion Vatican Jesuits Republica Holocaust Hell Nazism scandal enforced to damage the brains of innocent animal kingdom on purpose worldwide. So civil justice must be served. It can help when USA government provides immediate salary using direct deposit process for I am displaying all scandal of Vatican. I hope you all are happiest on being educated with wisdom of birthrights with my healthy human standards wisdom process. I am aware USA nations is the happiest nation in earth as of January 2021 is the wisdom. Um, then I want to provide another proof of scandal of Vatican Satan teams to USA government that Satan, absolute monarchs, Lucifer, Antichrist, Pope Francis only created Holocaust, Nazism, domestic violence of slavery and domestic violence of hatred and domestic violence of discrimination process mandate of Vatican Code of Abuse Law process model to mandate crucifixion type poison, birth defects, and types of birth defects worldwide to destroy innocent animal kingdom worldwide daily, and justice must be served. I proved there are never, I'm proved and proving daily that there are never medical services yet in United States of America as of January 2021 because it is the educated medical providers from accredited Harvard Medical School signed birth defects for innocent infinite animal kingdom is healthiest when birth defects for animal kingdom is enforced and created by Satan, Pope Francis, the hell creator, the antichrist, the Lucifer, to enforce damages to be provided to innocent animal kingdom as per Vatican Pope Francis Roman King Code of Abuse Law, and crime is highest because wisdom is nobody addressed as humans using holy planet earth do not have any birthright to create any hell variation type of crucifixion for absolutely infinite innocent animal kingdom worldwide. So I am true civil doctor, never went to medical school, and I am aware what is disease and what is never disease, and I alone can bail out all medical providers populations worldwide. So I should be the chief global medical director worldwide to oversee and lead and guide World Health Organization Center for Disease Control, Welfare of Human Services of USA across all nations is because I alone in entire human kingdom is aware what is disease and what is never disease, and that is because basic eligibility for supreme, that is all is needed for the basic eligibility to be a supreme civil chief medical director worldwide. And so United States of America must provide me doctorate title for public mental health service provider, and I can lead medical services worldwide all in all nations starting immediate. For I displayed scandal of Vatican, I must be the chief medical director for all nations worldwide, guiding medical process. Yes, absolute foolish medical services teams of COVID-19 as of January 29 as of now effective immediately should resign now is the healthiest humane standard process for failed in doctor's job, for failed in being humane always job with fatal negligence. So each department of health services, each hospital, each emergency clinics, urgent care facility in each nation worldwide should pay tax-free $500 billion to each plant time, each animal times total animal kingdom population daily forever worldwide, for it is Satan, Pope Francis, and absolute slaves, medical services only sign birth defects for animals is healthiest when it is the $1 trillion scandal of Satan, Pope Francis Code of Abuse Law mandate. So for I am displaying all the scandals of Vatican with proof to the USA government in ongoing civil justice process. It can help me when USA government provides finance aid without any delay within the next few minutes and beyond. For I am displaying all USA government errors, scandals of Vatican layers, all $1 trillion worth of errors. When USA government provides enough salary using direct deposit process effective immediate, using healthy humanity process standards to help me immediate, for I am in absolute finance crisis as of now, as of this moment. And also when USA government signs a customized job offer I asked for with salary of 250,000 per annum with tax free 250,000 per annum for next 5 years and beyond, I can quit early when I finish the provides excellent patented design solutions. I must get all the authority above absolute monarchs, and I must be leader of Vatican, and I must be supreme civil chief judge of USA, and I must be interim leader of USA, and President Trump must resign now is the highest honor any president can get, and President-elect Joe Biden must silently back off, providing a pathway for me to lead and guide USA. I can provide organization structure later using ethical standards process. Then President Trump and President-elect Joe Biden will thank me infinite later is the wisdom. So the breaking news tips proof is deadliest Pope Francis only created birth defects for innocent animal kingdom worldwide, and absolutely civil justice must be served immediately without any delay. So as of January 2021, Pope Francis created birth defects for innocent animal kingdom, and as of now, Pope Francis is at fault, found guilty in all counts of deadliest crime types, and Pope Francis is the deadliest domestic violent of type slavery provider, hatred provider, discrimination provider to innocent animal population, animal kingdom population worldwide daily forever, and innocent animal kingdom population never ever knows about the scandal of Vatican leader. Jesuits leader is the deadliest Satan, Lucifer, Antichrist, the hell creator, and Francis, Satan only crucified and crucifies innocent animal kingdom for being innocent is a pattern of abuse known to worldwide already, and that is why wild endangered the species Pope Francis disqualified to live in holy planet earth, and evil antichrist Pope Francis Satan must get out of the earth now immediate. Is civil justice served to all civilians worldwide and to total plant kingdom population, and also to total animal kingdom population. So I only can bail out at fault found guilty handcuffed USA nation and all nations worldwide. I am native Indian tribe, and I only decide who gets to stay in the earth and who gets out of the earth now. So each nation in earth belongs to me only. So each nation in bailout process, and also USA nation is in bailout process. So with ongoing civil justice. So handcuffed USA nation should do the task I ask for without asking me any questions. So Pope Francis Satan must resign now immediate, and for I am that I am displayed scandal of Vatican Satan teams, I must be should be the Vatican leader now, and I must be should be the global chief medical director for all nations now, to lead the Center for Disease Control, and to lead World Health Organization for all nations. Then I must be should be the supreme chief civil judge for all nations now, and the task must be provided immediate without any delay. Then the awareness is, do you all know the nation should never have any poison birth defects for innocent animal kingdom as of now, as in January 2021. So when a nation is having any birth defects for at least one animal in earth as of today, then that nation is disqualified to be nation enough to be sealed and shut down effective now for classified animal kingdom endangerment the nation. So that said, be aware that why United States of America is at fault and found guilty in all counts of deadliest crimes of Vatican, and also got the curses of scandal of Vatican. Okay, and do you all know all nations worldwide across the globe is also handcuffed mode as of today, January 2021. So I alone in entire human kingdom can bail out USA and all nations, nobody can. So the public awareness and on birthright is the proof the proof of display that Satan's alias Lucifer alias Antichrist alias Republica Venom Holocaust Nazi Hell Creator Vatican Hell Creator Jesuit leader Holy Highness perfect human god of USA Pope Francis Satan only created crucifixion type birth defects for innocent animal kingdom worldwide just because animals cannot talk and crime is highest level of the Vatican and the adverse agriculture is served services have been enforced and mandated to destroy innocent animal kingdom worldwide as a process of Roman Egypt crucifixion slow torture to death holocaust Nazism. So civil justice must be served. So evil, deadliest Satan, Lucifer, Antichrist, Islam, Judaism, communist, atheist, paganist, Queen of England, Elizabeth II only created, poison, Roman Empire, crucifixion type, birth defects for innocent animal kingdom, and civil justice must be served. So all phases of Pope Francis worldwide across the globe are Islam leaders, fake Israel leader, Judaism leader, Dalai Lama, Guru Nanak, yoga gurus, human gods of all nations worldwide only created, birth defects for innocent animal kingdom, and civil justice must be served. So do you all know nations do not have any birthright to destroy agricultural services enforced with genetic engineering to innocent animal kingdom population worldwide by altering the DNA and mRNA cell structure of innocent animals worldwide. So when civil justice says do not punish innocent, why USA nation and all nations enforced adverse agriculture services? What did innocent animal kingdom population do to humanity? Nothing other than innocent animal kingdom daily every single day helping humans worldwide with all basic essentials from clothing to hide nudity of humans worldwide to providing shelter to then providing footwear and other wearables then to provide healthy food to help and guide all humans to be healthy. So did education fail humanity or did humans fail education? Please understand Pope Francis created birth defects to innocent animal kingdom as the highest level of crime and civil justice must be served. So each absolute monarchs worldwide, starting with Pope Francis, Queen of England, Elizabeth II, Egypt Pope, Greece Pope, Russia Pope, Sicily Archbishop, and co-prince of Andorra, Spain, and France leader and co-prince of Andorra, Spain, and Islam leaders of Organization of Islam Cooperation, then Judaism leader, then the fake Israel leader, then the Dalai Lama, then Guru Nanak, then yoga gurus, then the human gods addressed as Farsis worldwide must pay the penalty and I will provide this civil justice. Okay, so each absolute monarch must pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each animal, to each wild animal times total wild animal population worldwide, daily forever. For Pope Francis created birth defects for innocent absolute animal kingdom with fatal negligence of Pope Satan. Then each absolute monarch Satans must pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each sea animal times total sea animal population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis created birth defects for animal kingdom with fatal negligence of Pope Satan. Then each absolute monarch Satan must pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each bird animal times total bird animal population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis Satan only created birth defects for an innocent animal kingdom worldwide with fatal negligence of Pope Francis Satan. Then each absolute monarch Satans must pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each reptile animal times total reptile animal population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis only created birth defects for animal kingdom with fatal negligence. Then each absolute monarch must pay tax-free of the $500,000 trillion to each animal to each animal that can live in land and water, and times total animal population that can live in land and water worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis created birth defects for animal kingdom with fatal negligence. Then each absolute monarch Satans must pay tax-free $500,000 to each insect animal times total insect animal population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis only created birth defects for animal kingdom with fatal negligence. Then each absolute monarch Satan must pay tax-free $500,000 to each bacteria animal times total bacteria animal population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis only created birth defects for animal kingdom with fatal negligence. Then each absolute monarchs must pay tax-free $500,000 to each virus animal times total virus animal population worldwide daily. For Pope Francis created the birth defects for animal kingdom with fatal negligence. And each absolute monarch must pay, Satan must pay tax-free $500,000 to each mold animal times total mold animal population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis only created birth defects for animal kingdom with fatal negligence. Then each absolute monarchs Satans must pay tax-free $500,000 to each fungus animal time total fungus animal population worldwide daily. For animal population, for Pope Francis, Satan only created birth defects for innocent animal kingdom with fatal negligence of Pope. Then each absolute monarchs must pay tax-free $500,000 to each zoo animal times total zoo animal population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis, Satan only created birth defects for animal kingdom with fatal negligence. Then each absolute monarchs Satans must pay tax-free $500,000 to each circus animal times total circus animal population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis only created birth defects for animal kingdom with fatal negligence. Then each absolute monarch Satans must pay tax-free $500,000 to each pet animal times total pet animal population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis only created birth defects for animal kingdom with fatal negligence. Then each absolute monarchs Satans must pay tax-free $500,000 to each agricultural farming animal times total farm animals population worldwide daily forever. For Pope Francis only created birth defects for animal kingdom with fatal negligence. And Pope Francis must resign. Pope Francis the Satan, the Lucifer, the Antichrist, who destroyed the human kingdom, who destroyed the plant kingdom, and who destroyed the animal kingdom, and also enforced with birth defects, must resign now immediate. And I must become Vatican leader now, and I must be global medical director to lead Center for Disease Control, World Health Organization in all nations, and I must be Supreme Chief Civil Judge for USA and all nations to lead the justice services worldwide, and I must be the interim leader of USA now. And Lord Repent building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name, is the wisdom process, and all nations will thank me infinite later. And Absolute Monarchs organization worldwide must be dissolved now, classified as wild human endangered organization, wild plant kingdom endangerment organization, wild animal endangerment satanic organization. And all absolute monarchs, kings and queens must resign now for failed in human god job, failed in king's job, failed in queen's job, failed in absolute monarchs divine rights of God's job, failed in holy highness job, failed in perfect republica job, failed in God of nation job, failed, and Pope Francis and Queen of England Elizabeth II failed in God of USA job when being perfect holy highness republica. And for I displayed scandal of Vatican hell creators with proof to the USA government, Lord Repent building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name, along with all the customized job offer sign off I asked for to the US government is a civil justice served for entire plant kingdom, for entire animal kingdom, and for entire human kingdom worldwide. And the other extended civil justice is Center for Disease Control leader must pay tax-free $500 billion to each animal times total animal kingdom population worldwide daily for educated medical providers only sign poison birth defects for animal kingdom is healthiest when it is deadliest crime of Vatican classified as Holocaust Nazism. So, World Health Organization leader must pay tax-free $500 billion to each animal times total animal kingdom worldwide daily forever. For medical providers only signed poison birth defects for animal kingdom is healthiest when it is deadliest crime of Vatican classified as Holocaust Nazism. So, why absolute monarch Satan's enforced and mandated and only then created zero tolerance poison birth defects for innocent animal kingdom worldwide? You all got the correct answer, and yes, it is what you are all thinking for of, and yes, it is only for tax mandate. So, just for fanatic love of crown alone, the absolute monarch Satans being absolutely insane, inhumane, foolish, they did not even left out the innocent animal population also or the plant population. They destroyed plant kingdom, human kingdom, and animal kingdom, and civil justice must be served. So, what is the tax life cycle process? Queen of England, Pope Francis teams must drink human blood as form of tax daily, right? So, when they destroy the animal kingdom, then naturally they can use that as a route and that as a gateway and that as a pathway to enforce tax on innocent civilians, to pay more tax, like 35% of tax for this, the like that, So it is a scandal process. And then all enslaved nations worldwide must should feed the tax dollars that rightfully belong to the civilians, rightfully belongs to the animals kingdom, right? And then rightfully that belongs to the plant kingdom, and it's all accumulated, and all the tax dollars is given to your Queen of England, and the Queen of England, the evil Satan, Lucifer, Antichrist, eats the tax dollars shamelessly. Okay, and shamelessly or shamefully, I don't know. It's all a choice to be shameful or shameless, right? And so daily, all enslaved nations must provide the status report daily on how many innocent animals in the animal kingdom population got infected with the birth defects, and in 24 hours time frame, and then the tax is calculated accordingly to enforce on the civilians. So that way, the nations can say, "Hey, population, if you all want to go to the grocery and if you all want to eat any meat products or any of the grocery foods that is coming from the farming animals, pay tax. Only then you can even get the food and then eat like that." So it is a deadliest crime, and the civil justice must be provided immediate without any delay. So, birth defects is enforced on animal kingdom is the deadliest scandal of Vatican, and national operations worldwide never knows of the scandal of the Vatican is the saddest reality. So, got it? So, the Pope Francis Satan teams, just for the fanatic love of crown, they destroyed entire plant kingdom, entire human kingdom, entire animal kingdom. And don't you all think that civil justice must be served immediately without any delay? And Pope Francis must not even stay, he should immediately get out of the earth now. So yes, I am providing all the errors, and I know how to fix all the broken services, and because I am displaying the errors, and I only can provide the rightful civil justice. And yes, absolute monarchs destroyed the all the healthy national operations must get out of the earth immediately. The civil justice served, and it is according to the guidelines as displayed, as clearly written in the Holy Bible. So nations do not have to fear the Satan evil force, absolute monarchs anymore, and national governments cannot fool any population anymore. Okay, and civil justice wins always is a wisdom. God is always all the time. is also the wisdom. God is always under control is also wisdom. So just be aware and enjoy and celebrate being aware that world is ending for good, because all the satanic forces, all the hell creation organizations will be sealed and shut down and gone without a trace in ashes. Okay, and I am born to save the world. So whatever in Holy Bible predictions is only happening now. So be happy, and thank you all for your time. And I also want to convey that I've used the images from online education services. Okay, so thank you all for now, and I will be providing more proof of deadliest crimes of Vatican. And yes, innocent civilians worldwide have the birthright to know the scandal of the Vatican, and that is what I'm providing as a public mental health service provider. Thank you all for now. Bye.